Okay, folks, so you might be asking yourself, Norm, what do you do when you got time off in between shows and you're just hanging around? Well, I try to hang out in parks and maybe someplace where I can go take a hike. Today I'm in Fontana, California. And I thought maybe you'd get a kick out of taking a look around from up high. See what I get to see from this area.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
So I've reached my maximum height here with my drone. I'm just going to slowly turn it around here. Hopefully you get an idea for what's here. I don't want to turn it too fast. It tends to blur the image when I'm turning the drone. But it looks like it'd be a nice hike right there on that hill. I don't know whether I'll try it later or not. But yeah, I found this park to hang out at where I've got my truck parked at the moment.
Fly cautiously.
Drone just gave me a warning that there's a manned aircraft nearby. Luckily, I've got it low enough, it's not going to be an issue. There's my truck down below. It's a dirt area around this park that I'm at. And of course, I can hear the school children off in the distance over in this direction. There's a school over there. Right across the street, found a grocery store and some other stores right over there. And off in the distance, going that way, get my camera to go the right way. Off in the distance there is Interstate 10. But yeah, there's a beautiful hike. Looks like I might even try taking that. These dirt paths, these trails up to the top of this rocky peak right here. I don't know what that peak is called, but it looks like it would be a nice hike. And then there's another peak off in the distance beyond this housing development. I think it's a little more than I'm willing to chew in a day to hike all the way over there, but something I could do if I wanted to. In the meantime, I think that's given you a nice little view of the area. We'll bring this drone back down. Yeah, Ontario, California Airport is nearby. I am out of their area here, though, out of the area where I would need a Lance authorization to fly. So Bringing the drone down, I can see it now. Coming in over me. I got it on the cinematic mode, cinematic flight mode. It flies slower than I care to fly, but at least it doesn't blur the image as I'm flying. Generally, I'll get it on sport mode and I'm blurring the image too much. I got a UPS truck coming in here right now. Looks like he's coming in to take a break. He's got no clue that the drone's over him. That's quite all right. I don't imagine it would bother him a whole lot. All right, folks, so that's my flight for the day here in Fontana, California. Hope you enjoyed it. Time to land this beast and call it a day. Everybody be safe. If you like my video, subscribe, click like, share with your friends, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think.